This is what they talk about at meets.
Also built in the RX-70. So, the Bama that blows me is Taylor Fox. I'm jealous. I'm completely jealous of that little Bama. Taylor Fox had the GTR and the FRS. He didn't really put a turbo in.
What?
And he built it in TJ Hunter hours. Like, wow. I'm like, really?
No, I'm talking about I'm cold.
Alright, y'all drive safe.
Drive safe, you too, man. Fucking stupid. Well, bye. Yo, this nigga funny. Mobbing with the homies. Yeah, on the way home. I'll end it when I get home. What the fuck, the nigga? My nigga's in the what the fuck, y'all nigga? Yo, my nigga funny as shit. Tonight was fucking, as they say, litty, I guess. But yeah, on the way home, I check y'all when we get there. Yo, what's up? Just got in the house. It's like, what the fuck time is it? It's like, damn, made pretty good time, 8:43. But yo, yeah, had a great time. Yo, it was dope to finally like really just kick it with Rockoff Johnson. Like this dude, like I said, great minds think alike, and like he looks at life how I see things. It was nice seeing the homie Mark.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation. Cause they will put you down before you reach the destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation. Keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.